Here I have OPPO R17 Pro, and let me show you how to change your date and time settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, find and select settings. Here you need to scroll down, choose additional settings and select date and time. So here you can use the automatic date and time and automatic time zone, or you can switch on the manual configuration. Here you can choose the time zone. Here you can select the time, the date, and you can also here go back to the automatic configuration. If you would like to, you can also use dual clock and you can choose some resident city. And basically that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.